Hi friends, in this video I will explain how to create a table and to rename a table, how to use a truncate and alter command, finally how to drop a table. These commands we will learn in this video. Let's see how many tables are available in my database. So the query is select star from user underscore tables. This is the command. Select star from this is the query, select star from user table and semicolon. I have 4 tables: drop, employee, bonus, and these are the 4 tables available in my database. So now I am creating new table. Create. I am creating a table for ABC company. Create a table. So table ABC company bracket employee name E underscore name, that is character type. So I give 10 bytes of character, comma E name and salary, that is integer, comma employee ID E ID, that is also integer. So bracket close. This is the data table. Now table is created. Now again I check how many number of tables are available in my database. So select star from user table, user underscore tables. Now see this, the one more table is added to the database, that is ABC. So table is created. Now I am inserting the values into the table. Now insert command, insert. I will explain how insert command and that in next video. Don't bother about it. Insert into ABC table name, that is ABC table name, values. What is the values? What is the name? First name Venki. Salary is of integer type 20. Employee ID, that is also integer, so 438. Bracket close. 3 fields, 3 columns are there. So I given 3 values, entered, 1 row created. Now insert again new row, insert into ABC values, one more name, rock of salary 20 something, any number, that is and the ID is 490. Close. Now one more row is created. So I am checking how the rows are inserted in a table or not. So the command is select star from table, where table name is ABC, semicolon. Now 2 rows are created, Venki and Rock. These are the names and the salaries and the employee IDs. So now this is the how to create the table is completed, and this is the inserting of values into the table. How to create a table is this one. Create a table, table name, what are the fields or columns you need, that columns and the data types. So this is the syntax for creating. Now I am rename the table. I am renaming table. Now I want to explain how alter command use. Now I use alter command, alter table ABC. I am adding one more column to table, phone number, that is the phone number column, phone number semicolon, specify data type. Sorry, I have not specified data type. So ed, this is the command used to edit the data what we wrote last. Name, data type of integer. Save and close. Table is altered. See this table is altered. So alter command is also completed. Now I am checking the alter now table is altered or not. Select star from ABC table. So now phone number is column is added. Before that there is no phone number column. After using alter command, phone number table is added. This is the syntax for alter command, alter table ABC, add phone number. This is the syntax. We will add one more column. If you want to add values, you need to add values. Now I am rename the table. So I am using rename command. Before that use alter command because you are altering the table. So alter table ABC, enter ABC. After that rename to ABC, rename to ABC underscore company. Semicolon. Now altered. Now I am checking, is there any tables, is there ABC table is available or not. Select star from ABC. Or you see the message, table or view does not exist. That means the table name of ABC table does not exist. So table is or view does not exist. So what if we are changing ABC column, ABC name, table name to ABC company. So I am using select star from ABC underscore company. Semicolon. You see, this is the table EMP underscore, this is the table ABC table. Though these are the fields and columns are available in table. Same this name just changes ABC to ABC underscore company, but that fields are data does not changes. Same entire the data way. Before that you are using rename command. After using rename command, the data remains same, but we are changing the names of the table name or column names. So this is the syntax for rename. This is syntax for rename. After that I am using turncate command. Now I am using turncate command, turncate table, which table we want, ABC company, ABC underscore company, semicolon. This is the turncate table command. Sorry, spelling mistake. I am using turnkit again. So in TRUN turnkit table name is ABC underscore company. This is the table name, because you modified the table name by using rename command. So I modified turnkit table name ABC. So table turnicated. Now I am checking is there any rows are present in table. Table name is ABC underscore company. No rows selected, that means no rows are available, no rows selected. So the table is empty, that means this field only available, this entire data is empty. So that's why it shows no rows are selected. It shows no rows are selected, that's why it shows no rows selected. So I am using for is table are available or not, I am checking with select star from user underscore tables. How many number of tables are available in my database, I am checking. Series ABC underscore company, table is available but data is not available, that means there is no rows, it's just created like that. When you create a table, there is no rows in table. So similarly, when you use a turnkit command turnkit table underscore company, the same thing similar to create. The format of table not be changes. Okay, I am using drop command. How to use a drop? Simply use write a drop of table name ABC underscore company. Table dropped. So that means I am using a command, is there any values are available in table ABC. Oh, table and view does not exist, that means table also deleted, table also dropped. Using the turnkit table command, only rows only removed at that time. If use a drop table company name, this command use entire table is dropped. I think it is not available in this command, I think. So I am using select, I am checking number of tables are available and what are the tables are available. User underscore tables semicolon. You see this, only four tables are available. Here 5 tables are available. When you use drop table command, the entire table format also removed. Entire table format is also removed. This table is not available in this table, this user defined table. So when you use a drop command, that entire table is dropped. If use a turnkit command, only rows only removed. Let's see example of turnkit simple way. If use a turnkit command, this is the company ABC. Before that, rows, these are the rows available in table. After using turnkit, there is no rows available, but table format is same. ABC company name, surname, age, gender, these fields are common, but rows only not available. This is the difference between turnkit and drop. Are you understanding? This is the view. In this video we will learn how create turnkit, rename, alter, drop commands. Further videos I will given in description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thank you once again.